So good morning and Jai Hind everybody. Today we are doing NCERT exercise 7.6, which is based on addition of unlike fractions. If you must be remembering, in NCERT exercise 7.5, we did the questions of addition which was based on like fractions. Okay? So today we will be adding the fractions which will be unlike. Okay? So I am just taking a very basic example. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. Okay. Now let's understand with this example how to add. Students, please do not write anything right now. Please fold your hands, sit straight, observe the board because it's a little different method. First you observe this. Afterwards, when you will understand, then you note it down anything. Okay? Understand this. Always remember, whenever you have unlike fraction, denominators are different. Okay? And when denominators are different, you cannot add directly. Okay? In that case, what you should do? First, you should make the denominator common. Okay? How can we make denominator common? It can be only done with the help of LCM. How can we take LCM? 3 and 5. You are knowing we have done it in the second chapter, playing with number, how to take out LCM. So we will have LCM of 3 and 5. Can you tell me which number can we take as LCM first right now? 3. 3 ones are 3. Now next time 5 will come down as it is. Now it will go by 5. Okay. What is coming the LCM? 3 into 5. 15 is coming as LCM. Okay. Now remember one line. All of you speak with me. नीचे divide, ऊपर multiply. Speak this. नीचे divide, ऊपर multiply. नीचे divide, ऊपर multiply. नीचे divide, नीचे divide, नीचे divide, ऊपर multiply. Correct. ये याद रखना, ठीक है? How? See, this is the LCM part. We have got this is 15, ठीक है? Now I said you a line नीचे divide. This is 3, this is 15. Now नीचे divide. 3 and 15 you will divide. What will you get? 5. 5 आ गया. ऊपर multiply. 5 को हमने ऊपर multiply कर दिया 2 से, क्या आएगा? 10. So ये हो गया यहाँ पर 10. ठीक है? Plus will become plus. Again, नीचे divide. Divide 5 and 15. What will you get? 3. ऊपर multiply. 3 with 4. 12. 10 plus 12. What you get? 22. By 15. This is your answer. Now, if it gets cancelled, you cancel it. If it is improper, convert it into mix. If it is a normal fraction, which is not cutting also, which is written proper also, no need to do anything with that. But abhi kya hai ye? Improper. Can we convert it? So agar main normally, yes, we can convert it. Answer will be this. I have written directly, but aap chaho to by process you can do it because you are knowing. ठीक है? Can we try one more question right now? Okay. First you noted down this one. Now I have written a second question again. Again see the denominator. 7, 3. Both are different. It means both are unlike. ठीक है? Now let's have LCM for making them common. 7 and 3. Which number we will have in first one? 3. ठीक है? You can take 7 also. And then 7 ones are 7. Now one more thing you remember. अगर आपके पास दोनों ही नंबर प्राइम होते हैं तो उनका जो एलसीएम होता है वो डायरेक्ट उनका मल्टीप्लाई होता है. ठीक है? तो आप चाहो तो डायरेक्ट 7 3 21 एलसीएम लिख सकते हो. ठीक है? अगर 5 और 3 होता है तो एलसीएम क्या हो जाएगा? 15. 7 और 2 होता है तब एलसीएम क्या हो जाएगा? 14. ठीक है? If they are co-prime numbers, remember their LCM will be their product, only their multiplication. आपको उसमें LCM निकालने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. तो यहाँ पर LCM क्या आ गया? 3 into 7. What gives you? 21. Now let's have a common LCM denominator, that is 21. I told you one line. What was the line? नीचे divide, ऊपर multiply. Now look at here. 7 and 21. नीचे नीचे divide किया. क्या आया? 3. ऊपर multiply. 3 से 5 multiply. 15. Plus का plus. Now again divide. What will come? 7. ऊपर multiply. 7 ones are 7 only. Finished? Now 15 and 7, what comes? 22. Denominator 21. Again the same answer, 22 only at the top, है ना? So 22 or 21. Again an improper fraction because numerator is coming greater, है ना? So what we will have? 21. इसको नहीं भी करना चाहते हो, that is fine. यहाँ तक भी आप लिखते हैं तो भी आंसर सही है. समझ में आया? Now note it down this. Third question we will do it together. मतलब आप भी करेंगे और हम भी करेंगे. हाँ students, I gave you a question which was 2 by 7 plus 3 by 40. ठीक है? Let's try this out. Denominator is 7 and another side denominator is 14. Means again unlike fraction. So first step to have the LCM. So 7 and 14. सबसे पहले you can divide it by 2 also or 7 also. So I am taking मान लो 7 से ले लेते हैं. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, and again by 2. So 7 into 2, what comes? 14. So LCM is 14. Okay. नीचे divide, ऊपर multiply. तो सबसे पहले ये है इसके नीचे और ये है इधर नीचे. पहले डिवाइड किया, 7 और 14 को डिवाइड किया, क्या मिला? 2. अब ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई. आंसर इज 2 से 2 4 प्लस 14 से 14 डिवाइड 1 और 1 से 3 मल्टीप्लाई 3. 4 और 3 7 40. 1 by 2 is the answer. This time the question was 1 by 2, addition to 1 by 3, addition to 1 by 6. सबसे पहला काम क्या किया? इस बार यहाँ पर 3 नंबर्स थे, तो जैसे 2 नंबर वैसे ही 3 नंबर और वैसे ही 4 नंबर भी. ठीक है? You can have so many numbers to add with. The process will remain exactly same. ठीक है? The first thing what we did, we took LCM of that. LCM of 2 3 6 was only 6. ठीक है? First we took the 2, second we took as 3. After having the LCM, I took as a common one which I got as 6. ठीक है? Now नीचे divide, ऊपर multiply. 2 and 6 when you will divide, you will get it only 3. 3 ones are 3. Now 6 and 3 when you will divide, you will get it 2. 2 ones are 2. Then plus again 6 and 6 when you will divide, you will get it 1. 1 ones are 1. Now simple form 3 and 2 5, 5 and 1 6. 6 by 6 is the answer, and you are knowing that we write answer in the simplest way. So 6 by 6 can be written as 1 whole. So this is the complete process. Yes, understand this. I gave you this time the subtraction. Please understand step by step. सबसे पहला काम, this is written in mixed fraction. तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन जब भी हमारे पास मिक्स में हो तो फर्स्ट यू शुड बी डूइंग इट improper. How will we do? 4 3s are 12, 12 and 2 14, 14 by 3 minus 3 4s are 12, 12 1 13, 13 by 4. यहाँ का स्टेप सही है, गुड. अब आते हैं नेक्स्ट स्टेप में, LCM. LCM of 3 and 4 both are co-prime numbers. LCM would be 12. अगर आपको निकाल के देखना है आप चेक भी कर सकते हो. सबसे पहले 2 से करेंगे, 2 2s are 4, 3 will remain this only. Again 2 1s are 2, 3 will remain only, and again 3 1s are 3. Now 2 into 3, which gives you 12. जिनको एलसीएम नहीं आता है पुराना वीडियो चेक करिए जिसमें मैंने एलसीएम निकालना सिखाया है। अगर आपने पुरानी वीडियोस मिस की है या आपने पुरानी क्लासेस मिस की है तो पहले एलसीएम सीखो, बिकॉज बिना एलसीएम के एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं बनेगा। ओके, यहाँ पे आ गया 12। नाउ नीचे डिवाइड ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई। 3 and 12 डिविजन, व्हाट विल कम? 4। 3 की टेबल में 4 टाइम्स में 12 आता है। नाउ यहाँ पर आ गया 4, 14 4 जा होता है 56, ठीक है, 56 आएगा ऊपर। नाउ सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन, अगेन डिविजन, 4 12 3 टाइम्स, 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12, तो 3 आ गया। अब 13 से मल्टीप्लाई 3 का, 13 3 जा 39। I know the table directly, so I have written directly. But if you don't know the table, do it multiplication beside. ठीक है, ये आ गया। अब नाउ इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है। 6 में से 9 नहीं जाता है, ठीक है, we will have 16। यहाँ पर आप करके देख लो, 56 माइनस 39, तो ये हो जाएगा 16 माइनस 9 7, और यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 4, 4 में से 3 गया 1, तो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 17 by 12। Now 17 by 12 if you have got, again it is improper fraction only. How can we convert in normal fraction? We can convert them mixed. तो मिक्स करते समय आप लिख सकते हो, अगर आपने ये आंसर लिखा है तो भी सही है, ठीक है। Now how many of you were right? Raise your hand. Students, we are doing now the question which is related to word problem, ठीक है। Question number 2 of the word problem says that Sarita bought 2/5 meter of ribbon, ठीक है, and Lalita bought 3/4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of ribbon they have bought? What do you know about total? We do plus or we do minus? Plus, ठीक है। कुछ रिबन सरिता ने लिया है एंड कुछ मीटर ललिता ने लिया है, तो पहले दोनों का लिख लेते हैं। सरिता by 5 meter, Lalita, can you tell me how much for Lalita? 3/4। चलो अब साथ में करते हैं, ठीक है। नाउ टोटल रिबन, टोटल लेंथ ऑफ रिबन, स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन, both of the students will be doing, ठीक है, all the students will be doing 2/5 plus 3/4. Let's try this. 5 and 4 co-prime numbers, LCM will be what? 20. फिर से वही प्रोसेस, नीचे डिवाइड ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई। 5 and 4, 5 and 20 divide, what will you get? 4, 4 2s are 8, प्लस का प्लस, अगेन नीचे डिवाइड, 4 and 20, 5, 5 3s are 15 आ गया। अब नाउ एड दिस, 15 and 8 23 by 20 meter. Now you can write it down, this is the answer. अगर आपको इसको मिक्स में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आप इसको चाहो तो मिक्स में भी कन्वर्ट करके आंसर को लिख सकते हो, ठीक है। दिस वाज रिलेटेड टू अ वर्ड प्रॉब्लम।